is. I didn't know we were in the information society.
Hi guys, I hope you're all well. It's been a while since we've had a chat. It was the holidays, it was the winter break, so there was Christmas, there was New Year's. So I've just been absolutely relaxing. I completely unplugged and I didn't do any work. But on the other side of that, it's been really hard to wind back up again. I think it happens to most people where after Christmas and New Year's, there's like days like you don't even know who you are, what day it is. I had so many late nights. I've been comatose, been struggling, been getting up late, but winding back up again and rebooting to get back into work mode has been difficult. But I think that just shows how tired I was actually working non-stop last year. So I think that the fact that I'm so out of it, but obviously it's the time of the year as well, but the fact that I am so tired, I think that just shows that I needed to take a few more breaks during the working period instead of just working flat out all the time. But it couldn't be helped because my store was busy, and I'm very thankful and grateful for that. This is like one of the first days after my daughter's birthday that I've actually felt alive and a bit more like awake. It's 6 o'clock, it's 6 p.m. right now, so it's very late still, because normally a working day is I get up and get the kids ready for school, and I'm in my office about 9 o'clock, office/studio about 9 o'clock. So this is crazy late, but this has been like the first day that I actually feel ready to work. So I'm going to put a good few hours in here. I've made the kids and hubby dinner, so I've made a few new stickers. Let me show you. They're a bit, let me find you the quote. I think you've seen it on here before. The quote that goes with this illustration is, "Success doesn't come from what you do occasionally, it comes from what you do consistently." And I really believe in that quote. A lot of people think that you need to have like lots of motivation and be really organized and all that type of stuff to be a success, but I really feel that it comes down to is being consistent, showing up and doing the work that's needed every day. Sometimes it's boring, sometimes it's mundane, doing the same thing, but consistency gets you results. And that is what the quote that goes with this. There's like a print on my website with the quote on there. So yeah, I've got a few more stickers to make, but I want to load those on the website. But yeah, I'm sorry I haven't had time to talk to you much. I've just really been busy and with life, really, not work but life, and spending time with my family, spending time with my hubby and my children, and just not working. Sometimes you just need to stop completely and wind down. But I'm ready and raring to go now. It took me a few days after the New Year's to get back in the mode, but I think I'm back in the mode now. Oh, and I've told you before, I've changed over to like digital planning, but I do like to write long-term things in a planner. And I am using this year one specifically for, handmade business owners. And this one is called the Maker's Yearbook, and this is the 2019 version. I did have it last year. I wasn't as successful in writing it. Like I say, I'm a person who writes things down and then shuts the book and walks away. But towards the end of it, I changed over to electronic system or a digital system, which I do like and I'm still going to use, but I'm going to be more faithful with writing things down in this book, and I really like it. My hair fell off because it's got little handy things in here. What else is it? It's got a little plan of what you should be doing for 2019. And as a business owner, as an artist first, that's what I know how to do, draw. But business wise, some of the things you learn that as you go, so it's really handy to have a guide for, you know, someone to actually show you how to stay on track. It doesn't necessarily tell you exactly what you need to do, but it helps you plan your way to get through it. So I really like that, and she's added new pages in this year, which I really like. I like new things, and I love stationery. I absolutely love stationery, so any excuse for a new book, I'm gonna get it. Hi guys, it's currently Monday and it is the 7th of January, and you can notice that I'm a bit more upbeat in my voice because I am finally properly awake. I'm motivated and I'm ready to get back to work. The house is quiet, the kitchen sink is clean, the beds are made, and I'm ready to work. I realise now why the kids get 2 weeks off and most people go back to work now, because you actually need those 2 weeks just to get back to normality. So I'm excited to work. I've just made yesterday, well, I'm getting ready to open up the store again today. Excuse my phone. And yesterday it's a bit of a mess, but I've been working on all these stickers, and if you are following me on Instagram you would have seen a little bit more fancier display of all these stickers that I've been making. I've got my diary ready to go, so the office isn't too bad at the moment. It's not that messy, but I'm just going to crack on with work. I've also got a, oh look, you're not straight guys, you're not straight. But also recently got an app called App Block, and what that does is it blocks the apps on your phone, like Instagram and social media. You can even do Wi-Fi or the internet as a whole, and it blocks the apps for a certain period of time for that you set it for, or you can set your allowance for the day of like 15 minutes of Instagram or something. So what I find is that I have a very short attention span, and I have a very short attention span, and I am, I've said before, like a magpie. So if I see something bright and shiny, something new, another task, I will go and do that to stop what I'm doing. So yeah, I'm the kind of person who has like 10 million pages open on their internet browser. I have like 2 or 3 apps open on the computer at one time, so I'm doing 2 or 3 different tasks. So I need to focus. I'm very good. I'm very motivated person, and I get a lot of things done. But I do lack a bit of focus, and sometimes things can be a little bit bitty. So I am making sure that my phone is blocked for a few hours, and I'm gonna have uninterrupted times to work, because I did previously have no notifications, which I don't get notifications, but what I found was I'll still go back in the app and check anyway. And I'm a very responsive person. Like if someone sends me a message, I like to reply and get it done and get it out of my mind straight away, because I don't like anyone waiting or hanging around and thinking, oh, I need an answer, because I know what it's like as a customer myself for other things when you just want to figure something out or want the answer. So I like to be very responsive, but sometimes that's not very productive. So the app block, I'm sure you can get it. I have an Android phone. I'm pointing to the phone, which you can't see. I have an Android phone, but I'm sure you can get similar, or lots of or apparently iPhone has its own kind of app block system. But I think it's really important, and especially start the new year off on a right foot. Be more focused. Hi guys, it's about 5:30, no, 5:45. I'm trying to make it to the gym, guys. Wish me luck. I'm going to try and do it. Let's see if I can get back here before the kids wake up to get them ready for school. I think this is the only way I can get a workout in my day and feel happy that I'm not sacrificing time away from my family or work. So let's see if we can do it. so it's like 10 to 10 and kids are at school, and I still can't believe that I actually went to the gym at 5:30 in the morning. Absolutely nuts. But I do feel good for doing that. I feel awake. I'm slightly getting tired now, but I do feel good and energized somewhat. But I may be slumped at my desk at 12 p.m. in the afternoon. Can you believe that, guys? But I'm hoping I can continue that trend. I'm not going to be going to the gym every single day because I just don't have the time, and I don't like mornings. So I'm forcing myself to do this. When I was an avid gym goer, I would do it afternoon or even at night because I'm a night owl. So for me to get up this early is unheard of. So I'm not going to be doing it loads of times because, like I say, I'm busy, got children. But my aim is to get back to working out 3 times a week, because sitting in this chair every single day is literally seizing all my joints up. So I need to work out whether I like it or not. Working out is a must, and it's a new year, and I'm being terribly cliche and starting working out in the new year, but there was no point trying to do it over the holidays in the December time because I was so busy with work and, you know, Christmas. So I'm ready to work now. I'm going to see how much I can get done before I fall asleep for an old person nap. But yeah, 5:30 workout done. Check. Hi guys, it's Monday in the studio and it's the 14th of January. Yesterday I had a big session of finishing packing. I just need to put them through the Royal Mail system and then I can ship those out. But I'm getting back to a good little schedule. I've been to the gym again this morning at 5:30. Can you believe it? So, and I've got lots of energy. And so I've got that task to do and everything is running smoothly so far. It's 10 to 10. It's 10 to 10. I need to grab some breakfast. That's one thing I need to get better on. Eating. Figure out my eating habits. I have a terrible eating schedule. I'm just awful at it. So making sure you eat. It sounds crazy because you can eat when you're at home, but making sure you get time to eat and stop working, it's actually really difficult. So if anyone knows of any channels that are worth watching that can help me figure out better eating habits, then I'm all ears. Leave them in the comments box below. But yes, I always say that I'm packing orders. I'm gonna pack those orders and then hopefully I'm gonna draw something. So I just painted something, guys. Painted this. If you can see that there. Yeah, if I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I feel like I'm feeling a bit, what's the word? Feeling a bit not confident with my drawing and painting skills. But I think that's by and large with me having 2 weeks off and I really didn't paint much, if at all. And actually I haven't been doing that for 2 months. Not been painting a lot as much as I would like to, because I've been making the calendar and shipping it out and stuff like that. Maybe not 2 months, maybe a month. But for me, I'm one of those persons that if you don't use the skill, you will lose it. So yeah, I don't feel confident. So if my advice would be to anyone who likes to draw daily, even if it's for 2 minutes and that's all you can get in. Draw something daily. Keeps you fluid and keeps your skills up. With anything, if you don't like going to the gym, if you don't do it regularly, your muscles are going to get weak. So definitely draw every day if that is what you like to do, or anything, whatever you like to do. Practice something within it every day, I say. Minimum 5 minutes. If not for practicing, learning how to do new skills within art or whatever you do, trying something different, and you know, not staying within your realm of comfort is something you should try also. Because I know, you know, I can draw a picture and I can get it to something how I like, but I would love to experiment more. It's just finding that time. So I'm just wearing this because I like to cover my head. I do have short hair, as you saw, my barber cut it, and at the moment it is actually currently red. But I just like covering my hair and I like feeling comfortable. I'm babbling, aren't I? But I just come on here and I thought I'd say that use the skills every day. Try and do something out of your comfort zone as well. Try new things, but definitely if you're going to do anything, at least scribble something a day just to keep your skills up. I don't know, when I edit this I'll try and make this make some kind of sense. Oof.